Training a Belgian Malinois for agility is a rewarding experience, but it takes dedication, patience, and the right approach to succeed. Known for their intelligence and high energy, Belgian Malinois are naturally suited for agility training, but they still need proper guidance to channel their enthusiasm effectively. First, start with basic obedience training. Before jumping into agility, your dog needs to understand commands like sit, stay, come, and heel. These form the foundation for agility training, ensuring your Malinois listens to you during exercises. Next, focus on building their confidence. Belgian Malinois can be quick learners, but they need to feel safe and comfortable with new tasks. Ready for better behavior and easier training sessions? Get your free guide in the description. Introduce agility equipment slowly. Start with tunnels, low jumps, or weave poles, and gradually increase the challenge. Always encourage your dog with praise and rewards to create positive associations. Set aside regular training sessions, but keep them short to prevent your Malinois from becoming overwhelmed. Short, focused training blocks, like 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week, are better than long, tiring sessions. Mix up the exercises to keep your Malinois engaged. As intelligent dogs, they can get bored with repetitive tasks. Keep the training fun and stimulating by introducing new obstacles or varying the sequence of exercises. This keeps their mind sharp and prevents training from becoming monotonous. Make sure to provide plenty of mental and physical exercise outside of training sessions. Belgian Malinois thrive in environments where they can be active and challenged. This can include running, hiking, or playing fetch. With the right approach, your Belgian Malinois can excel in agility training. Remember to be patient and enjoy the process as you build a strong bond with your dog.